3 fastened. Shower 6. All right. Let's close the door. Skirt. Wow. Just for reference, you use this so just in case they come and unlock the door themselves, it stops them dead in the tracks. Although it's missing some screws, but this one ain't gonna work very well. All right, so let's do a quick check on tile game. Nice and soft, looks clean. I'm not gonna use it though. It's gonna be hard. It's for the floor anyway. Spread that out like so. Yeah, buddy. All right. Let's take this one. This one's kind of soft. Yeah. Is it clean though? Looks clean enough. Let's go ahead and stage this one. So we got a shower hook actually that hasn't fallen off. Take a look at this shower. Doo-doo. 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 Either it's not used that often or it's clean. So they got a whole soap holder, 2 soap dispensers. Are they working? Yes, they are. Damn, this one's stuck. Oh, shit. Not too happy about that. All right, let's check that shower pressure. Wow, what the? Why the fuck is that moving? The shower pressure works. Then it gets warm. Somebody didn't screw that on all the way. 3 more shower hooks available. About the toilet. Handicap accessible. This one has 1 bank of toilet paper right now. They have like another one. Oh yeah, it fell off. It's like got the screws there. Toilet paper's nice and full. Let's check out this toilet game. Is it clean? Nah, that looks like fucking hair. That's a long piece of hair. I don't know what that is back there. It's a toilet seat looking like. So far, not too bad. Underneath. Not too bad. To get to here, what the fuck? Loves, do better, baby. Do better. Yeah, that's nasty. Yeah, this one isn't clean. I'm gonna talk about the inside. Don't even clean that shit. Let's see. Definitely to clean that. So, y'all lose on the toilet seat. That's a deduction. What else? Let's nitpick. That is cool. Fan's pretty dirty. I don't want dust to just keep flying at me, so I'm gonna turn that off. I don't need that. 2 more shower hooks over here. I'm going to hang that right there for now. Let's check it underneath. You can't really see in there, but so far it's not that much dirt I can see. Except this vent. You can see a little bit of dust files in there. Only reason I check out the vents because you can easily get sick from all of this shit. So far so good. This is the view from the front door. This is what it looks like. You see? This is the view. This is the view from the shower. All right. Now I noticed they used to have a shower pole here, I guess, to block some water out, but it really isn't necessary. Check out this mirror. The mirror looks pretty clean. All right. Second tile. What am I gonna use this for? Yep, I chose the right tile. This one's much rougher. Just gonna put that like so. All right, people, I hit y'all boys back. All right, so they got like a tile dump somewhere. There we go. It's a tile drop. So this Get a line right quick.
All right. Now what do you want? I looked at that, the ball, it looked different.
Excuse me.
I told you my eyes. I looked at
It is now time for a courtesy check.
Looks like they're doing restart right now.
Good afternoon, customers and employees. It is my time to do courtesy check. Top West, this is men's restroom, and Claudia Gomez. Also, friendly reminder, we do have our new tacos for breakfast and lunch for $4, along with our rain energy drinks, buy one get one free. So you're shopping with us.
Oh, they got ice cream.
Can I get the driver for reliable transportation to please move your truck up 121? That pump was blocked off. We need your truck moved.
Got tire pass right here. Tire pass. Air broken here. Got water on that one. Air broken on that one. That one just out of service. And it's broken up in there. No water, no air. Water, I mean no air whatsoever. Here's the scales. It's a long sweeping entrance. You come in from over there, sweep in this way, wrap around, go all the way around to the end, come in over there. So you make a left at that Marco Hotel. There's an entrance right there off the main street. You come in, sweep along this way, kind of like this truck is about to do right here. You just follow it all the way around, all the way down to the end. And wraps around here. This side. Still more parking. Wrap back around, and there's an entrance to the fuel lanes, an entrance to a building over there. What's up? Let's go in the tire shop real quick. tire shop. I don't need to get no service today. And people park right here, block everybody else in. I guess it's temporary parking or overnight parking in the event that the parking lot is full. What's that? All right. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. As you can see, we are looking at truck stop number 492 in Pecos, Texas. It is a Love's, yet again. Parking was great. The only thing I would increase was the number of parking spots, but navigating was really easy, so I gave it a 9 out of 10. Fuel lanes were 6 out of 10 because they were missing some air jackets at some of the locations, and it just was dirty. Customer service was 8. Ladies in there were great, easy to help you and whatnot. Bathrooms were trash. There was toilet paper everywhere, stains everywhere, you name it. Truck parts, this particular location had a pretty good selection of things to help you get back on the road real quickly. As you can see in the video, they were doing a system of replenishment, so I had to give them a 9 out of 10. Snacks, every Love's that I've been to so far is pretty much getting the same thing, 8 out of 10. Showers, you've seen the hair on the toilet, you've seen the shower fixture missing or loose, so you got a 6 out of 10. But you know, yeah, last but not least, you guys can see the rest of the scores there. This one does not have a laundry location. So don't be prepared to try to come in here and wash your clothes. Maybe at the hotel adjoining they may let you wash your clothes, but this one doesn't have one. I really enjoyed the fact that the parking lot was easy to navigate. Like I said, I just wish it had more spots, but if you come in there late and tired and there's one spot available, it's probably going to be easy to get into. And other than that, guys, I do appreciate the support. You know what I need you to do? If this content is relevant to you in some form or fashion, please subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Along with that, just go ahead and tap that like button one good time so other truck drivers like yourself and other people who are traveling on the road can benefit. Because the more you like it, the more it gets recommended and everybody can see it. And therefore, I'll keep on knocking these out for you back to back. Alrighty, guys, over and out. Again, appreciate the support.